24頁 Joe's Online Diary。咁咧呢一版第24頁咧就會有兩個 online diary 嘅，咁就 diary 即係日記啦。咁第一篇嘅日記就係關於阿 Joe's 嘅日記。咁留意我哋讀日期嘅時候咧，要讀全寫嗰個讀法，即係14 October 我哋要讀做 the 14th of October， 要補翻個 the 同埋要補翻個 of 嘅，讀出嚟係要咁樣讀嘅 the 14th of October Saturday。I went to Ocean Park with the Boy Scouts。咁留意啦啲尾音啦 ，Boy Scouts ts 尾音啦。We rode on the roller coaster。We rode on the roller coaster。咁即係我哋講翻呢兩句先，就係我去咗海洋公園啦，同軍 Boy Scouts 即係童軍。We rode on the roller coaster。Roll 咧就係嗰個動詞啦，就即係咧搭上乘坐嘅，即係乘坐咁嘅意思啦。咁逢係啲機動遊戲咧，我哋都用 rode 用 ride 呢個動詞嘅。咁因為佢係過去式，所以 ride 嘅過去式咧就變咗 rode 啦。On the roller coaster，roller coaster 就係過山車啦。It was the most frightening ride。咁逢係咧3個音節或以上，變做comparative 變比較式咧，就前面加 前面加 more。如果變做最高式咧，就係喺前面加 the most。所以呢度咧就係話 it was the most frightening ride， 就即係最得人驚嘅機動遊戲啦。咁呢個 ride 咧係名詞嚟嘅，咁就 ride ride。We also rode on the cable car。我亦都咧坐上咗 cable car， 即係纜車。It was the it was 呢度打多咗。It was more interesting than riding on the roller coaster。More interesting than 就即係更加有趣啦。佢係比起喺 roller coaster 上面即係坐過山車咧係更加有趣嘅。We watched the dolphin show before we went home。我哋睇埋個海豚嘅表演喺我哋返屋企之前。It was the most exciting show at the park。佢係喺個公園入邊咧最刺激嘅表演。The 15th of October Sunday。I went swimming in Repulse Bay。Repulse Bay 即係淺水灣。With my family。It was tiring。咁好攰。住啦 ，Riding on the cable car was more relaxing than swimming。坐 cable car 即係坐纜車咧，係比起游水咧係更加 relaxing 嘅，即係令人放鬆咁解。咁形容詞我哋留意咧 ing 尾嗰啲咧。就係令人乜乜乜，譬如 relaxing 就係令人放鬆，前面有 exciting，excite 就係興奮啦 ，exciting 就係令人興奮，咁咪即係刺激咯。咁仲有 interesting，interest 係感到興趣，咁interesting 即係令人感到興趣，咁即係有趣啦。frightening 就係令人即係得人驚啦，即係令人害怕咁嘅意思啦。所以逢係 ing 尾嗰啲形容詞咧，就係令人乜乜乜嘅。咁ed 尾嗰啲咧，我一陣會講。ed 尾嗰啲咧就係感到乜乜乜，通常係啲人嘅感受嚟嘅。好，我哋講到邊咧？係啦 ，more relaxing than swimming。跟住到16號啦 ，the 16th of October Monday。I stayed at home all day. It was boring。我留喺屋企全日。It was boring。boring 就即係沉悶啦。咁因為呢個 boring 咧係形容 it， 形容嗰一日嘅生活。咁所以係令人覺得悶啦，就唔係講佢自己嘅感受，係講緊嗰一日令到佢覺得令佢悶，咁所以就用 ing 尾 boring 啦。Holly's online diary 14th of October Saturday。I went to the park with my friend. We took many photos at the Peak Tower。我哋去咗，咦？呢度應該又係打錯，應該係 went to the peak。係啦 ，went to the peak with my friend。我哋去咗山頂 ，peak 即係山頂。We took many photos at the Peak Tower。咁我哋喺Peak Tower 就即係嗰個 凌霄閣。It was interesting。咁啊呢一日嘅活動咧係好有趣啦。咁呢個 it 就係講緊嗰一日咁解。The 15th of October Sunday, I went shopping with my cousins. Cousin 即係表兄弟姊妹。咁就我同我啲表兄弟姊妹去shopping 即係購物啦。In Causeway Bay 即係銅鑼灣。They bought some clothes and spent $800。咁佢哋咧買咗啲衫，使咗800蚊。I didn't buy anything。我一啲嘢都冇買。Anything 即係任何東西。咁啊 negative 嘅句子咧就會答 any 嘅。I didn't buy anything， 即係我冇買到任何東西。Things there are too expensive。嗰度啲嘢咧太貴啦 ，expensive 即係貴啦。I didn't enjoy it。我一啲都唔享受。I was bored， 即係我感到沉悶啦。咁啊，依啲尾就即係感到啦。所以 bored 感到沉悶。The 16th of October Monday, I rested in bed all day. Rest 咁啊，留意啦 ，rest 係 T 字尾嗰啲加 ED 咧，你要讀埋個 T 音嘅。Rested 個 T 係響音嘅，即係所以呢度有兩個音啊。Rested。I rested in bed all day. It was comfortable。咁我全日喺床上面休息啦，好舒服啦。